Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can translate a thread post. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Please log into your account if you haven't already. Next, you can find a little axe A icon under the post that's not written in English. Tap on the icon to view the English translation. And that's it guys, this is how you can view the translation of a thread post. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.